Hey you guys, welcome back to Hazel Knows Best, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Hey you guys, so today I am doing a review on this eyebrow pencil. It's from the company iMethod. I got it off Amazon, and it is an eyebrow pencil, and I got it in the shade light brown, and I am going to be testing out this product today, so let's get into it. Alright, so let's get into this product. So it comes in 4 different shades of brown, well, 4 different colors, period. I know. You can get from a light shades, like a very light shade of brown, all the way to a dark black, I believe. Yeah, perfect. Alright, so what I like about this product is that it comes with 3 items in this box. It comes with 2 pencils and a double-sided brush. It has a spoolie on one end and a fine and thin angled brush on another end. So yeah, let me tell you about these products. So it has a very firm and thin angled brush, and then the other side is a spoolie. Then you have the pencil. One is a fine and ultra thin tip, and the other side is a triangular tip to fill in those spars and gaps, for the waterproof areas. It's smudge proof. Natural brows in seconds. Are you distressed about getting dream brows? iMethod brow pencil creates effortlessly perfect natural brows in a hurry on those busy mornings. Super easy to use. Great value. 3-piece brow pencil set. This magic eyebrow filler kit features 2 dual-ended eyebrow pencils that outline, shape, and fill, plus a dual-tip brow that grooms feathers and blends color. Waterproof, smudge proof, and long lasting. It also does state that the formula keeps the brows resisting water, stays on all day. Do not rub your eyebrows too hard that they will come off. So let's get into this. So I'm doing my natural eyebrow routine. I usually spoolie out my hairs just so I can have a clean slate to, a clean canvas to start on. So I start using the defined end to start my shape of where I want to, take my eyebrow and how I want it, where I want it to go, basically. My eyebrows are naturally don't grow to the length that it's supposed to, so I tend to take them all the way down to where the end of your eye meets. That's how your eyebrows are supposed to end. And then I start shaping at the bottom so that I can get that perfect eyebrow shape so it can look natural. What I'm gonna say about this brush, I really loved that it was very thin and sharp edged, and it just glided perfectly, perfectly, and it just, I didn't have to do too much. Some pencils, when you use them to your skin, the sharpness instantly goes away, and then you have to work with it. And then I use the thick side, which is considered to be the water drop, waterproof, smudge proof side, to fill in the brow. I did it midway. Yeah, and that also would just melt it into the skin. I did not have to press very hard. It just glided right on into the brow. As you can see, I keep pulling a little bit of the product up on both ends, and it's only because I'm only taking out a little bit of the product up on the pencil a little bit at a time so that it doesn't break. Because if you push it up too much and you have too much exposed and you put pressure on it, it will break. That's just a tip on any eyebrow pencil. So yeah, it also advises you not to do that on the product review and description on the Amazon. And now I'm going in with the fine like the fine tip side, and getting those hair-like strokes in so that it can look natural, and also intensifying that brow and basically perfecting it. I must say that this is one of the first times that I've used an eyebrow pencil, and I automatically seen a perfect brow without having to spoolie it yet, and it's already at a perfect brow. I'm just amazed by this pencil. You guys need to go ahead and check this out. This is a really great pencil. So now I'm gonna go ahead and spoolie it out, which is basically more blending it into the skin, giving it a more natural look. And then I'm gonna conceal it and clean it up and show you guys what it looks like. And here it is, giving you that natural eyebrow with just concealer to clean it up. But as you guys saw, it was so defined and clean that you couldn't even tell that I didn't use concealer yet. But yes, y'all need to go ahead and get y'all some of this. This is bomb. What y'all waiting on? Y'all don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching the video.